what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily file taxes in Canada TurboTax online. So first, we're going to head over to turbotax.intuit.com, and from here you can start by signing in with your account. We're going to start or proceed with business tax filing using our QuickBooks account. So from here, once you're logged into your account, in the left panel, just head over and click on Review. So this is where you can view details about your tax to make sure that they are all correct and accurate. Then next, just head back to My Info in the left panel. And from here, you can start by filling out necessary information about yourself, starting with the first name, also your last name, and date of birth, also your occupation or job title. And once done, you can proceed by clicking on Continue. So from here, all you have to do is add in your mailing address, also more details about your address, city, state, and zip code. Also add in your phone number. Let's proceed by clicking on Continue. You will also be asked to enter in your SS number. You might also have to go through this check for some other situations. You will be asked were you a member or former member of the U.S. Armed Forces. You can choose if yes or not. And also, what was your state of residence on December 31, 2024? Just choose the state and select any other situations that apply. Then, once done, just click on Continue. From here, also fill in all the necessary information regarding your household. Then proceed by clicking on Continue. You will also be asked if you make money in any other states. Just choose from the options, then proceed. So those are the basic things that you need to start for you to be able to file taxes in Canada. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!